Hello everyone, it's the day of the party. It's 12:40 and the party starts at 7. I have to clean up the living room and the dining room so it's gonna be a little bit presentable. Also, then I have to decorate. My friend is coming over to help. I also have to cook some things. My friends are bringing like food and stuff. It's just, great. So, yep. It's January the 1st today, 2024. Yesterday was the party. I enjoyed it very much. It was so much fun. I was a little bit scared that it's not gonna work out, but it ended up really well. We played games and danced. Also, we celebrated. It was so much fun. I have so many pictures. I want to thank you for watching this video. And if you liked it, hit the thumbs up button. And also subscribe to see more videos. Also, I wanted to thank the people that came and also brought like food or games. So thank you, and also thank you for the beautiful night that I had. And I want to thank you guys that are watching me, my subscribers. We had like a whole year together, like 2023. I didn't upload much. I wasn't really active on YouTube. But for 2024, I'm gonna try to be more active and bring you more videos to watch. Next video, it's gonna be me resetting for the new year. I'm gonna be making a vision board, and I'm also gonna be showing you how you can make your own vision boards and what are like the benefits of it. Yeah, also I'm sorry if this video was short. I just wanted to show you how I spent my new year with my friends. So maybe you can like host a party and gather up with your friends and just have fun. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye. See you next time.